Albert, welcome. Now, Apom to say,
I'm not doing Biaboko.
12 league goals in the just ended season, or first season or Kotoko. Was that the target for you? Say, Obeba Kotoko Abeshe 12 goals in your maiden season.
Oh, Bibiamu, yes, I'm for accident mirade. Even though I'm my target saying can share more than that, but me that's it. Me day accident my supporters and players and so my boy me meet me nyasa 12 goals. It's accident mirade.
Sana Oka say now target more than the numbers here when you not just you are not too happy with your own goal scoring record this season. Personally, one kasa be outside, any penny bedroom, but one kasa as a striker leading the lines for Kotoko no when in Jehosa.
Well, me can say me ni shada anyo but when the isi obi na injuries be have injuries ni nyoma be have me ntema things call from yes slow mommy. But baby CBI, so me just said me right.
Not many players never tell me about I so confident I can okay because the pressure for playing for Kotoko, especially for Ubia na Ghana Premier League na half a season pen or abono. That is a big ask from your own self. So mentality no and deriving from now say is part of your nature as a footballer won't settle for anything less.
Well, growing up, no, na me shada ne me colleagues na ebo. But say mpeni football kwa na me jinim, so I say part of me. And I even playing for Kotoko no, me anga sa me bedu, we share just no kra na seriously. It also, but no ma for me no ma me enka me share. Yeah, that's me.
But the bigger picture then is Kotoko and this season, and me Angie League, Sani Awoka say one kasa when Angie in terms of the number of goals na or share, What would you say about you guys failing to win the league after say Muteki some series of good performances, good results at that and then surprisingly, the last few weeks of the league season, everything came to a standstill. Say now we can about and also.
Well, yeah, players need work right here, because we planning say this is what we want now. Like Uncle Banus and any like, and there are some mistakes in the league, some home matches, even some away matches. You take a league that okay, say to me, no my year just a maximum 3 points now into me and also affecting him into me and the league and the fun say like best in the in but will be said next season between me I find my
Yeah, sure, league in the team, but before we sign, it was say we need trophy that now. What the FA Cup trophy? Yes, started campaign. You are now share goals now, and the crucial goal na they back it over the line. Final no once kasa na unyai. How pleased are you, say finally when you first trophy or career no? Not just the trophy, but all your parts who play an integral role, say Kotokoji FA Cup.
well yeah born and play be dreams of a cap and I was already at chance of me so Mrs. na me bono the we na minya nti me nije be say finally meet me and me first trophy na me look for the move forward a bit me add more to it nti me nije be say meet me and first trophy.
You see, most strikers our team because of the nature of striking. Striking, it comes with some bit of selfishness. Onya Kwame Poku, he's been here before, and also joined midway. At the time, and now we injured, Amoah off for close to 2 to 3 months. How well did you enjoy playing with Kwame Poku? What did you learn from him at the time with him?
Well, me say like oh yeah, me senior player because we ball could talk about was ball different platform. So when you boy, you have to learn things, be how to position yourself and those things. So when you boy, we coach you. We catch you say when you ball like because when I'm in bottom.
Yeah.
Bibia anko ye anko shego echire ya make say any goes. So well, mention maybe on how to be say somehow so be selfish so bit me goes because sometimes you to me say you say creating your man and but on the bet you say at the end of the day na so go so
Where your debut season, sir, yeah, can say you best moments of debut season, and some games you find it very tough. Dear now, because say na your best moment. Dear now feels a one kasa in the game, no. Whether the club drop points and I say you would think say we didn't down to me, so me and never be yanka and then they far win, no.
oh I think make I say the game against Asofo 2 games in well, my best moment here, your home match. No. To me, in your last minute goal, na to me the game maximum 3 points. And second one, away, you create a lot of chances. And me anga sabi ba fe me say so we share match na we play say nya goals be home. Na to me nya the maximum point. Na to me, I feel say that 2 games in the air me best in me way. Me worst moment.
I was to say what be a household name for players maybe I will free buy, of course. Now sports light who is Albert Amoah, but you see what show din here will be who say you are that guy. Now Sadia no back with responsibility because next season 12 na wahye ne ne obi be expect say next season e go higher. How ready are you preparing yourself mentally for that challenge na ebeba no?
Well, any na hard work. We take for example training serious now. Which me work very hard. Say certain things, ways na na want to me, maybe na want to me, you work on it and improve on them so that coming next season, mistakes be away, yeah, into me, I'm more goals. And then maybe so away, yeah, into me, I'm more goals in the season. No. The following season now, but the next now wait me, I then. You sign money for no wait me, I'm more goals. Sign so.
How well do you want to play in Africa? Because supporters in cry and say African football. And what sort of impact do you want to make? Because and also challenge, you're very difficult because you meet very experienced class teams and then coaches. And also you will need to prove yourself. How well do you want to play there and what sort of impact an Alpese will make it?
Well, Nina be depending on hard work or training grounds. Yeah, nyame nkwa na mebo. The players in nine Africa in their life, my prepare. And nyame nkwa so meet me players no so count. And mate how Africa and I want to experience it.
Season, a bit up and down, a whole lot. Couple of injuries, but one thing I'm for I found when they say you are not the tallest in the team, but a bus leap, a jump up, oh yeah, there with your head, Is there a background story to how you are able to jump so high, or be connected well to the ball, assign post, Typical example where 2 goals against Mediama, and then FA Cup semi-final, so ultimately head there powerfully. Goals in your classic goals. Ability to jump that high, I will background story be tricking anything.
Well, mechanism ni na how one sa when areas are only good oh unim say bia onwa so onwa no say utumi see how to jump now utumi a friend is working very hard on that because and only a weak point because onwa I would say
Nti how did you go by say when say way when na a chair was because the ability to jump no and easy say obi wo ha wo take inspiration from and I say usua from clips be coaches be na do go through because personally it's quite surprising.
well like I say coaches because I think playing at the second division level no, sometimes do your ball training we are then you only coaching back as way na me person me. So I remember my team second division my boy Apata Kofi. Well, on a mission how to jump and those things. So I know now my keeping on say my work here
I
and
mean the football idol anyway player na always no share so who is so bobo when he will take inspirations from
well Memphis.
Memphis Depay.
Memphis Depay.
I didn't know Memphis so I might decide
Well,
to.
me share how no no how even though on yet too fast on go but me share na ho de nsem ne a person taking cover on ne sa no man ade no and na me there.
So how did you feel meeting him? Oh, Adakojachi.
Oh, that time na mo injury into me.
So Memphis by now now you were treating yourself. Okay, unlucky. But one attribute of game, your strength. How do you keep yourself in shape to have that energy? I will game all the time because I'm holding out the whole game a bit on the higher side. How do you maintain that levels all the time?
Well, say as a player say who say oh say ade we na me na e mama won de India. You don't have to stop it. Until maybe me say maybe semenda emo and I say how I made the do and media menya sa we no dey. I come last ko say me dey talk. So eno bi wa me ya
I had the buy and cow last. There be a bit and cow last. I had the car last.
oh, I'm saying that maybe say saa de no
Nay
wo
before, but I had the car last. There be a bit.
nti eno bi a wo be ya wa hu say saa no we me ya eno na ema ma ho de sem say de ende eno ana me enye bibi chinchire man bia.
But finally, there's been a talk about who is the best player, who is this and that in the league. Personally, me I know my preference, but some questions I best to put it to those who are playing, are who the qualities of their teammates and opponents. In your own view, league in the end, who would you say who is the best player of the league, and at the end, will arrive at that conclusion?
Well,
Ebi mo ka say Samba Gubani O'Neil the best player on the social media yet one kasa so who ni saying
well, maybe the as a player, me who say some bit me number one. Me so the share players we say in team. Any like players are more modern day season pa media especially in team like why very hard working. If Sauba Obe maybe from the past they're normal, yeah, but this season Oka one of the best players ever Kotopa to me in team out. So I think some so I abon modern pa or leg na album hard work. If you moving from centre back to say for example defensive midfielder. Our boy any problems be amba that shows how quality he is. So for me there.
and when Abaka say technically are so gifted player or teammate who said the way of far ball no crown one kasa one neighbor but you admire the way or control ball in the game.
Well, Seba Obia like media, I would say Patrick Asiedu because we share ni power ni how techniques or field no so. Well, seriously, very serious because we share as left back pa the power how ultimate train ekuni ni nyoma na de na. Well, very media to me the techniques there Patrick very good.
Albert, that was it. Nah, yeah, we show the very best. Have the best of holidays. There is the next campaign also. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.